What does, no, don't push any. What does mommy say?
Mom.
Go. Mommy does that, huh? Say mama.
Mama.
Say dada. Say daddy. Say dad.
Da.
Dad. What does a cow say? What does a train say? What does a kitty say?
Meow.
Meow. What does a doggy say? Doggy? What does a doggy say? What say eat? Eat. Say yes. Yes. Say hi.
Hi.
Oh, hi. Say what does a snake say?
Cookie.
That's what a snake says. What does a birdie say? Chirp, chirp. Chirp, chirp. What does I don't know anymore. What does a monster truck say? Rawr! What? Rawr! What does Benjamin say? Say me. Me. Yeah. Say uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
'Cause uh-oh. That's a uh-oh, huh?
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Say mouse. Can you say mouse? Mouse. What does a car say?
Cow.
Vroom, vroom. That's what a car says. What does a monster say? Rawr! Rawr! Say rawr! Rawr! Can you say Rissa? Say Rissa. My Rissa? Rissa? Me? Me? Say Ashlyn. Say hi.
Hi.
Wave to the camera. Say hi. Where's your nose at? Benjamin. Nose? Nose? Mouth? Mouth? Right here. Eyes? Eyes? Mouth? Mouth? Point to it. Go mouth. Point to it. Mouth. Where's your ears? Say ears. Ears. Where's your hair at? Hair. Right here. It's your hair. Hair. Can you say owie? Say owie. Owie. You want to kiss it? Give it kisses.